Hello guys, welcome to another video in this Python series. Reversing a string is a common task in any programming language, and Python makes it very easy for us. Let's say you have a word by name Python which you want to reverse it. That means this should be NOHTYP. Instead of writing a loop or multiple lines of codes, Python offers a simple and elegant way to reverse the string. So let's see how we can do that one in Python. To do the reverse string, we need to add the word which we want to convert it. Then we need to add the square bracket, and within the square bracket add double colon and then add -1. So here we have three parameters. So this one is nothing but the start parameter, and then the second parameter which we have here is stop. So if we mention this one start and stop, it will start from that particular index and it will stop to the index where we have mentioned. And the third parameter is the step. If you want to step one by one, you can mention as 1. If you want to increment by 2 steps, you can mention as 2. So as we have mentioned here -1, we are telling the Python that to take the string from end to start. So that is nothing but in the reverse order. So I will remove this start and stop. So now what this code will do is it will take this word in reverse order. So that is N first, then O, then H, T, Y, and P. So let's store this one in one variable. I will call that one as reversed underscore string. So now we got the reverse string in this variable. So let me print this one. We have the code for print statement now. So let me run this script by using the run. Now you can see the expected output, which is reverse string we got in our terminal window. That's it guys for this very short video. Thanks for watching this. If you like this, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.